Hello friends, today's video pandemic research. Yes, research is very essential, always benefit for the individual and the society. Yes, today we are in lockdown pandemic situation due to the corona COVID-19. I suggest some research topics related to this lockdown situation for the business management, for the commerce, research scholar, faculty, and students. Let's see the topics. First one, a comparative study on work from home practices among men and women employees of IT sector at Coimbatore district. We can change we can change the sector, we can change the city and do it our research of our interest. Second one, a study on faculty perspective on work from home at Coimbatore district. We can do it with a special reference to only engineering college or only arts and science college or only autonomous college faculty. Third one, a study on pandemic situation challenges among hotel industry. What kind of challenges the hotel industry is facing today. A study on impact of lockdown among higher secondary school students at Coimbatore district. How the students feel this lockdown situation. Next one, a study on online learning opportunities and challenges among the students under class 6th, class 4th, 5th, 3rd likewise. Whether they are really enjoying these online classes or they get bored. Next one, a study on students' attitude towards online learning, special reference to any college in any city. Next one, a study on impact of COVID-19 pandemic situation among auto taxi service at Coimbatore district. We can do it only auto service or we can do it only taxi service in any city also. Next one, a study on retailers' performance during this pandemic situation at rural areas in and around Coimbatore district. We can do it in any cities, we can do it in any state. Next one, a study on public awareness towards do's and don't to be safe from corona. What to do, what we need to avoid. Next one, a study on work-life balance during this lockdown situation. How the people, how the employees can balance both their work and family life during this lockdown situation. The last one, a study on Tamil Nadu state government initiative in this pandemic situation. We can do it in any state. What kind of initiatives taken by their respective government for managing this pandemic situation. Thank you friends. Next video I will give you some shortcuts to do a research. Thank you.